got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am Y84 Special Edition, W72, 404 speed, one of approximately 1,100 produced. This is a factory air delete, factory radio delete. We had the build sheet, and we had the VHS documentation. Great car. Very desirable. Go to www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find about 75 to 100 pictures. It does have the spare T-top bags, jack, and inflator. It's a nice car. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, we're more than happy to pick you up from the airport. St. Louis International, Lambert, one and the same. For us your flight itinerary, be more than happy to pick you up, take it out for a drive, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. We got great financing, great terms, great rates. Come in person, we're more than happy if we accommodate third-party inspections, no problem. If you need financing, we can help with that. Usually 10% down does the trick. Credit's king. Shifter. Again, do have the PHS documentation to go with it. I believe there's owner's manual as well. WS6 package has a 4-wheel disc brake on it. Nice. There's a few little in the striping right there, a few little imperfections in the striping, but nice car overall. Little chip there we'll touch up. Another tiny chip right there we'll touch up. Just got the car in, got it wiped down. Everything is working on the car. The tack is intermittent, the clock works. But that will be addressed. The tack will be working when the vehicle's sold. So we'll take this car for a spin. Love this car. www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. We're located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. 3 warehouses full of classics. Just don't get much better than this. 79 Y84 Trans Am Special Edition, 404 speed. This car was rare when it was new. They only made 1,103 or 1,104, so. Black on black. PHS documentation. This is a factory defrost delete, factory AC delete, factory radio delete. Questions you got, and we have great financing, great terms. Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. 1979 Trans Am Y84 SE, 404 speed W72 performance package. Great car. Thanks for watching.